What's up, YouTube? Sierra here with DIY Dwight.
And Matt.
And as you can see, the kitchen is a mess. Like, it looks like a kitchen out of a cartoon.
So, yeah, what happened here?
We recently were walking around like an open house, and we saw this kitchen that had some really cool drawer pulls on it, and we were like, why don't we do that?
Our kitchen does not always look like this, but we decided to go ahead and replace our hinges while we're putting on these drawer pulls. So, yeah, our cabinet doors are kind of just barely hanging on.
We are super busy with our day jobs right now, but of course, you know, we just decided to throw this in on like a random Tuesday. So, during lunch today, I came out and took off some hinges. We had to paint behind them, and then now work is over, so Matt is home, and he is going to start putting in the new hinges. And so,
Here we go.
let's check it out. So here's one of our old hinges look like. I just took off these screws here. It's my little finger. It's my finger. That's a lot of finger. And here's the old one, yeah. And whenever you take it off, we have to paint. So we got a little bit of touch-up paint there. As you can see, there's totally gonna be like the memory of the old one there. But you know what? It's okay. It's all right. This is not the Taj Mahal, and it will work for us.
And I'm just going to stand here and hold this cabinet door open while I talk, because it will break if I don't. But you can tell with the old hinges that they clearly just slapped paint over everything. They didn't even bother. Oh, there you go. Yeah, they didn't even bother to try and remove the hinges before they painted the cupboards, and so that's one of the biggest reasons we're replacing them.
We have hated these hinges since we
From
moved
day
in here.
one.
But it sounded so burdensome to us to do all of this work. And honestly, it's not that bad.
Side note, it is pretty bad. we
And
gotta paint everything.
We picked like the worst week in history to do this.
Yeah.
Classic Dwight.
Yep, here we go again.
Classic. Matt, what are you doing? Tell the people.
I'm drilling holes. No, I'm pre-drilling our holes. Our cabinets are actually, despite being awful and ugly and just,
They're not that bad. Quit hating. It's real wood.
they are
These are not plastic.
in fact real wood.
Gosh.
So
Wait, good money for this house. Don't listen to
them.
him.
And you know what? We did see some worse cabinets this past weekend.
We did. We walked through a brand new house and it had some plastic cabinets. Are you joking?
By some manufacturer that apparently no longer exists.
All right.
I looked it up. So that was entertaining. Kingdom for a screwdriver.
My left arm is burning.
Oh, yeah, this is
Listen, I'm gonna need you to pick it up and
I'll trade you. Alright, you're gonna have to push. Okay.
ta-da! All right. Okay, so if you see up there, you can see an old hinge, new hinge. Looks clean. Looks super clean.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
We are measuring to find the center of the drawer. And this is where math comes in handy because this is 19 and an 8. I believe half of that would be like 9.5 plus a 16th.
Said 19 and an eighth?
Yep.
Yeah, that's right.
So I need you to mark that for me.
Okay, let's see if I can do this one-handed.
It's right there.
9.5 plus a 16th.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Then we got this handy dandy template thing that we put.
I love
on the
templates.
center, just to make sure that we're centered.
Oh, you know what you need?
What?
You need a handle.
I do. I need a pencil.
Oh, pencil.
Okay, I'll wait.
Okay.
All right.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Murph, are you going to inspect? What do you think, Murph? No? Okay.
I think it's this one.
It is that one.
Okay.
Nope. Nope, one out. Nope. Here. No. Here.
I lost
There you
it.
go. There
There's
you
so
go.
many dots.
That's so many holes.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Ta-da. Drill.
Drill.
I drew one that didn't need to be there.
Okay.
Okay, now the fun part.
What are we doing now?
We're just gonna take these two bobs.
Thingamabobs. Technical terms.
We're gonna slide them through like so.
Slide them through the thingamajigs.
Boom. Boom, boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am.
Boom,
Take our
boom,
little
bam.
thingamabobber. And we get to town.
So many technical terms. I'm not sure everyone's going to keep up with this.
And I kind of use my fingers at first to get it going. And then come back with a screwdriver. But all in all, it looks like this. Pretty easy. Painless,
Screwdriver.
and a really nice, cheap, inexpensive upgrade to your kitchen. These are super modern looking. And really like work with our whole little Spanish vibe we've got going in here. Cobalt blue and rust are kind of our colors that we like.
If you haven't seen the video of our backsplash, highly recommend you go check that out.
We actually took that video down. We'll have to put it up again.
Oh, you're right, we will. Backsplash video pending.
Coming soon. This job is so easy you can do it in your pajamas.
Well, it's a good thing nobody can see your pajamas.
I am wearing my little pajama shirt thing.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! All right, YouTube, well, that's a wrap. Wait, Matt, come here. Wait, scooch down a little bit more. Well, perfect. That's a wrap, YouTube. We hope you guys like this video. It's perfect for somebody that has like a pretty good kitchen that wants to spruce it up just a little bit, you know. It's very affordable. We probably spent, what, 180 bucks?
I don't even think that. Most of it's from Amazon, which, by the way, if you are ordering your stuff from Amazon, make sure you get extras in case you run into defective ones, which we had quite a few of.
There will definitely be defective ones, and we will link the products below in the description for you to see. But we love them so far. You know, been using them for the whole day, and we couldn't be happier. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy holidays, everyone.
Leave a comment below and let us know what you think.